If you need to share a website, document, or contact information, adding a QR code to your Microsoft Office document is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I'm using Microsoft Office 2024 for this demonstration, but the same steps should also work in Microsoft Office 2013 and newer versions. To create a QR code, we'll first need to install a free Office add-in. Let's begin with Microsoft Word. Once you're on Home tab, look for add-ins and click on it. Once you're in, type in QR code in the search box. And from the results, you'll see one called QR for Office, then click Add. Once it's installed, you'll now see a form ready for you to generate your QR code. From here, you'll choose what kind of information you want to share. It could be a URL, a phone number, or even a custom message. For this example, I want anyone who scans QR code to be redirected to my YouTube channel. You can customize colors if you like, but I'll stick with the standard black and white design. You'll also find a few additional options here, such as error correction and size. Increase the size until you're happy with the appearance, then click Insert. The QR code has now been added to my Microsoft Word document. Now let's see how to do the same thing in Microsoft Excel. The process is quite similar. Go to Add-ins, open QR for Office add-in, and enter the information you want to share. Adjust the size if needed, then click Insert. Your QR code will be added to the Excel worksheet. The process is almost identical in Microsoft PowerPoint. Simply open Add-ins, enter the information you want to share, adjust the size, and then click on Insert. Your QR code will instantly appear on the PowerPoint slide. That's how you can create a QR code in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.